Hi, this is Josiah Owen, and today we're going to be talking about making pot roast. Alright, now we're going to talk about chopping our onions for our pot roast. Go ahead and start off by cutting the bottom portion off, and then just peeling the skin. Go ahead and take all of this off. We're going to need 2 medium-sized yellow onions for this. Go ahead and get all of this excess onion off. Any part that's gone bad, if you have one that's gone bad. At this point, you can go ahead and cut off the top as well. We're not going to be using that. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and cut onion in half. And then from this, we're going to cut it into sixes. Just making 3 cuts. You go ahead and take the bulb out of the middle. We do the same exact thing for your second onion. Just cut in half. And then cut in sixes and remove the center, and there you go.